Hello guys, welcome to new video. So in this video, I want to discuss a DSA question. Name of question is bus journey of Neelam. Journey minimum fare. This is a greedy algorithm question. So first of all, we discuss the question. After that, we are discuss the approach of this question. Then after it, we are doing the code for this question. So guys, first of all, we read description. Neelam has n friends studying in various schools. She wants to find a new friend in n plus 1 at school. Okay. Assume all schools are separated by the 1 unit distance. To reach n plus 1 at school, she has to board a bus. So the ith school would cost of C of I rupees to travel 1 unit of distance. In other words, the bus fare of travel from the ith school to the jth school is absolute of I minus j into C of I rupees. So what is the meaning of this? Means when we want to go from one school to another school, then the rupees is multiply like this. These are the rupees like first bus cost first bus cost like means ticket is 4 rupees, then second bus ticket is 7 rupees, third 8, then 3, then 4. So the task is find the minimum bus fare travel from the 1th to n plus 1th school. Like she want to travels this first school to, this is our n length, and she wants to travel till here. Okay, this is n plus 1 guys. Like she wants to find a new friend. Okay, so you can see here this line, all schools are separated by 1 unit distance. So how we can solve this question? So this is question is based upon greedy. So थोड़ी ग्रीडीनेस तो आनी चाहिए ना कि सबसे कम फेयर के अंदर वो जाना चाहती है. So guys, these are the fares of the bus. Okay, means ticket of the bus. So input is like that: 4, after that 7, then 8, then 3, then 4, and she want to go like at this position. So first of all, when Neelam come at this position, this bus cost is 4 rupees. Okay, so we are calculate our total fare here. So he gave 4 rupees to this bus. After that, the all distance are separated by 1 unit. These are the schools: one first school, second school, third school, fourth, fifth, and this is sixth school because n plus 1 or n is 5 here. So first bus cost is 4 rupees, then 7, then 8. If she wants to change the bus, then after it she gave rupees 7 for the, because the fare of this bus is 7 here. So we are adding 7 in it. After that, if she change the bus, then he pay 8 rupees. After it, if she pay, if we, if she wants to change any bus, then she pay the rupees 3 here. After that, when she come in this bus, then she pay 4 rupees. Okay. After that, paying 4 rupees, she reached at the final destination. So battery low. So I think where is our, okay. So this one. So at the last, she reached at the destination. So guys, when we calculate the total fare here, 4 rupees plus 7 rupees, 11 rupees, then 8, 19, 22, 26. Total fare is 26 rupees. This is the maximum fare. Not we can say like maximum, but it can be like 26. But our result is 18. So this is minimum fare. So how we can get the minimum fare? This is a question. So guys, if C not change any bus, Means if she find out a bus that has minimum fare, so at that time she not change any bus at the second position. So at that time we can say that the fare can be less. So when she come at the first position, at the this position, the fare of bus is 4 and this is compulsory because the this is first bus. So ये तो देना ही पड़ेगा 4 rupees. So we are calculating 4. नेक्स्ट बस का जब देखते हैं तो फेयर बहुत ज्यादा है 7 rupees. द नेक्स्ट बस फेयर इज मोर देन 4. सो नीलम नोट चेंज बस. Okay, and the distance of 1 rupees 1 unit is 4. Then after when she reach at this position, she again pay 4 rupees. Means we can say that like the distance is 1 unit, so she travels like 1 2 3 4 5 unit. Then she must be pay 4 into 5 20 rupees. So that's why I'm adding 4 rupees for the 1 unit 1 unit 1 unit. Like if we want the minimum fare, so if she reach at any bus that has minimum fare, at that time we can change our bus. Okay, so this is the particular logic. After that 4 rupees paying, when she come at here she again pay 4 rupees. Then again at this position she find out this fare is more than 4. Then she's not change bus, she is again in this 4 rupees fare bus. After that when she reach at this position, then she find out this bus fare is less than my this bus. Okay, at that time she changed the bus and the now fare is 3 rupees. Okay, after that at this position she again pay 3 rupees because the this bus fare is again greater. So at that time she pay 3 rupees. So after that she pay 3 rupees at here. After that she can reach at destination. So the total fare is 4 4 4 12 12 or 6 18. So this is our answer. This is simple code. So I think now you can write the code for this question. So easy. 2 3 if condition and input taking and for loop. So how we can write the question for this? How we can write the code for this question? ये बोलना था. So सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? इनपुट टेकिंग पार्ट इंपोर्ट करा लेते हैं स्कैनर. सो इंपोर्ट java dot util dot and scanner. Done. This is our main class and this is our main method. So first of all our input is like that. In first line like 5 the length of the array, then 1 2 3 4 5 any random number I write here. So first of all we are creating a scanner class object for the input taking. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner, and in new scanner what we can write here? We can write here system dot in. Done guys. So scanner class object is created here. So now we are take the value of this length of the array. So how we can take? Int n is equal to sc dot next int. This is also done. After that we are creating this array. So how we can create in Java? Int type array, and the name of array is like rate array. This is our rate array of the buses. So this name is better I think. So new int, and in new int the size of the int array is n because we are storing the size here. So this is done. After that we are fill the values of rate in this array. So पुराना काम करेंगे and I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and after it what we can write here? Rate of I is equal to sc dot next int. वो क्या लिख दिया यार? So after this line we can say that our rate array is full with some input. Then we are apply some logic. So we are creating a total for the counting the total fare. टोटल TOTL होता है या AL होता है, ये भी याद नहीं रहता. So after that we can say that फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन वी रीच एट दिस पोजीशन, सो ये फेयर तो देना ही पड़ेगा पहली बस का, तो चाहे 50 रुपए हो चाहे 1 रुपए हो. So can we initialize a variable with this first ticket fare? So that's why I'm writing here. Int ticket cost is what we can write here. We can write here rate of zeroth value. This is our initially fare. So it is 1. So at the time this is 1. Okay. So after it, what we can write here, guys? We are iterating a loop, for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, same thing, I plus plus. So we are applying simple condition. If our ticket, this is our ticket price, TICKET, ticket, TICKET. If we find out at any position, our ticket price is less than, like we are arranged like that, 5, then 2, then here I am writing 7. Okay. So like initially fare is 5 rupees. So now value is 5 here. So at that time, like at this time, we find out our area of I is less than this number. If our ticket, if our ticket is greater than area of I, अगर टिकट ग्रेटर देन हो जाता है एरिया ऑफ आई से, इस पोजीशन पे हो जाएगा ना, टिकट वैल्यू इज 5 हेयर एंड द एरिया ऑफ आई इज 2 हेयर. एट दैट टाइम वी लीव दिस बस एंड वी इसमें बैठ जाएंगे इस बस में, मतलब. सो at that time what we can write here, we update the fare of the ticket. So now int I, now ticket value is TICKET, ticket value is area of I. So now this is initialized by 2 at this position. I am talking about the particular position. So now this is 2. At that time, at every time we are calculate here total cost. So how we can calculate total? Total plus is equal to ticket. Every time he calculates the ticket, like for the first position, then second. If the fare is minimum, like in this case, what will be the fare? So first of all, our fare is 5 rupees. So I'm writing here 5 rupees. Then we find out a fare is 2 rupees here. Then 2. Then again at this position, this is greater, and this is greater. So all time we are right here 2 2, because we not leave this bus because this fare is minimum. Okay, so the total fare is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 rupees in this case. Okay, guys. So this is happen in this code. I think you understand very well. So at the time we are total this total amount when we are iterating at the each unit. Okay. So if condition close, for loop close, at this position we can shout sys system dot out dot println, and in println what we can write here, total. So done. So this is the all about the code of the minimum fare in bus, a journey by Neelam. So this is the code for this question. This is a greedy algorithm question. So if you understand the video, then you can like, and if you like little bit, you can like. If you like more than little bit, then you can subscribe the channel. So मिलते हैं किसी new video में guys. तब तक के लिए bye.